So how you guys doing? So I'm working on the 371 here, and I'm running into a problem. I'm thinking about replacing more parts than originally planned. Let me show you. All right, so just as you see here, I got it all split. Can you tell? She got quite hot in there. That was not easy to pull apart. Not by any means. Everything in the rotating assembly is nearly welded together. Check this out. I can't get the bearing off, but I can barely get it to turn by hand. Hang on here. There. She's moving kind of. But barely get it to turn. She's pretty much welded in place. Almost. I can't get it to come apart. Everything here. I'm thinking about replacing it all. This one will turn. Take a look. Alrighty. So the furnace kicked on, so I kept working on it. I got this side off. I got a problem though. My problem is this side. It will not come off. I've tried heat, using a puller, everything. It will not come off. It doesn't matter how much I pull on it. It just won't come. I've heated the heck out of it. It won't come. It almost feels like it's welded in place. So I don't know what to do there. And then the connecting rod, you can see how she got hot up there. So I'm thinking about just replacing it all. I am. Just play it safe, you know. Tell me what you think. But I'm giving up on this bearing for now. Maybe I'll come back another day. You know, I'm probably at least an hour into trying to get that bearing off of there. And it won't come off. Nothing I do will get it off there. But yeah. Here's the other one. Finally got it off. She was on there. So tell me what you guys think. I'm thinking just replace it all. I am. Connecting rod, all of it. She got hit with some extreme temperatures, if you know what I mean. It's quite obvious. I'll tell you, this thing took forever to get apart just to get this far. It took hours to get everything separated. Heat gun, and everything. It took hours. But at least we're this far, you know. Get this all cleaned up and get all the parts together, and you know, we're on the home stretch. This is one of the most challenging saws I've ever done. Ever. It's not because it was hard to figure out how to pull it apart, but because how hard it was just to get it apart. Ay, ay, ay. But tell me what y'all think. I'm thinking replace it all. I am. So yeah. We already got the top end taken care of. That's already covered. Piston and cylinder's already covered, so we just got to figure out the bottom end. So let's figure this out and move on, you know. Let's get a bunch of parts gathered up. For as hot as that connecting rod and crankshaft got and everything, I don't know. Part of me doesn't feel comfortable using it. So I say we go ahead and replace. Alrighty. Well, this has been a fun one. Till the next time, later.